Hello, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment we have for rent at 171 Pilgrim Ave, Unit 1. This is a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the first floor in Worcester, and I'm just going to be going around it and giving you the best idea of size and the dimensions of the place I can from the video, as well as pointing out a lot of the other things that this place has to offer. So this is a brand new renovated unit. Pretty much all the walls got painted and a full professional deep clean of the entire unit. So you're going to see some new fixtures throughout. This is a really nice apartment, lots of space here. If I didn't say the bedroom count already, we're gonna go through it as we get to the video, but this is bedroom number 1 over here. You know, easily big enough for like a big queen size bed and a desk dresser setup. Then over here, this would be the living room. You can call it main living room slash possibly dining room area. It's definitely easily big enough for like a sectional couch, entertainment system, etc. Then coming over here, this is bedroom number 2. This is right off that living room, and it's got similar size to the one in the front, which is definitely pretty big. So very large bedrooms in this place. This is actually a 4-bed, 1-bath. So this is the kitchen over here. Kitchen's got the set of appliances for everything you kind of really need, which is the fridge, 4-burner gas stove, and it is gas, heat, and hot water in this apartment too. So you got a 4-burner gas stove right over there. This is the bedroom number 3. This is the smallest out of all 4 of them. This one's still big enough for like the queen size bed, just maybe not having the desk dresser set up as well. But it's a nice room right there. And this is the bathroom. So bathroom's really nicely done over. This is brand new glaze on the tub, so they just did a tub refinish. It's kind of like having a new tub because the first one to really be in it with the new glaze. So that's really nice to see, and it's got the toilet and everything right there. It's also got a laundry room with the washer and dryer hookups. So the hookups are included in this apartment. You just would need to bring your own machines. And coming here, this is the 4th bedroom, 4th and final bedroom. Definitely a lot of space in this one too. It's kind of equal in space to the other ones. So 3 really big bedrooms and 1 pretty small bedroom make the 4-bed and 1 bath in this place. And then this just goes out to the back hallway, and it has a storage closet back here. And if you'd like to know more about this or any of our other listings, please go to nexuswor.com and you go to our for rent page. Once again, this is 171 Pilgrim Ave, Unit 1. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.